What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. So I'm patching up the holes at the back. Actually, that one right there is going to come out with the door, so I'm leaving that one there. But I put this one up there. Got to patch it up, so I tacked it in. I got that one done. I'm about to come over here and fill this one out. So that's what I'm doing, showing y'all a few different stages. I would say this is stage 4, patching, making the frames over there, and I'm gonna cut. My goal is to make the cutout, tack it in probably, and do my forklift set out down here. I'm gonna lay them out so that way I can be able to cut them out to pick it up from the side. So that's kind of some of my goals today. So I got a few things accomplished. As you see, got both of the frames laid out, which they ain't finished welded out yet. I got to finish welding them out. That's the easy part. Patching this, actually got the frame over here so I can lay it out. So that's what I'm doing. Getting my hog on. Black Feniks.